This is original job number CX0211, and the new number for it is CX0919, where we brought the press in, had a leaking issue on the pot, pulled the press down, determined that there was a crack in the pot, had it sent out. They cooked it in the oven, get all the oil out of it, annealed it, gouged it, welded it, re-annealed it in the oven, and then we brought it back. We assembled it with new ram seals, new O-rings on all the pre-fill valve and fittings on top, and we also cleaned the tank and put new filter in the return line filter. So we're going to go ahead and just run a quick cycle here to show that the press is operating, and that'll complete it. Go ahead, Dan. Press is set up to run 250 tons. That's good, thank you. That completes the operation of CX0919, 250 ton, 4-post down acting press.